Hey, what's up everyone? It's Rob with the Z06, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a science experiment to show you how cool these Eventuri filters are and what exactly they are doing. So let's get into it. So in this video, I am going to try a little science experiment to try to show you guys when I say that the Eventuri bespoke filter creates a Venturi effect. Well, what is the Venturi effect? Well, that's what we're going to try to show today, thanks to our science experiment we've got behind me.
Hell yeah! Science rules!
Real quick rundown, the smoke machine over here represents airflow coming in from those side intakes on the C8 Z06. Main piece of our experiment is the Eventuri filter, of course. Half is cut open so we can see what the filter's doing. The other half is the carbon fiber shape we have all come to know and love. And last but not least, representing the engine and the throttle body sucking in that air, we have a shop vacuum over here. So let's get the shop vacuum on. Let's get the smoke machine heated up. I'm wearing my lucky Paragon and Eventuri collaboration shirt. Let's do some science. Well, there you guys have it. That was pretty cool. I really enjoyed getting to see that with my own two eyes. I'll be honest, I did not think this was going to work that well, but it was cool to actually see the Venturi effect happening from these bespoke filters with my own two eyes. So hope you enjoyed this little science experiment. And now when you're driving around with your Z06 Eventuri intake installed, you can now have a better understanding, just like me, of what exactly those filters and that intake itself is doing in the back of your Z06. Hope you enjoyed. I sure did. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. I'm Rob with the Z06, and I'll see you guys in the next video.